Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are looking at the CYMULA Folding Mattress Twin, a 6-inch memory foam trifold floor bed and futon that promises to change how you think about temporary sleeping arrangements. If you live in a small apartment, love camping, or frequently host unexpected guests, you know how hard it is to find a comfortable and practical sleeping solution. Traditional air mattresses leak, pull-out couches are bulky and expensive, and thin sleeping pads leave you feeling every bump on the floor. That is why this product caught our attention. We are going to dive deep into its design, features, pros, and cons to help you decide if it deserves a spot in your home. Let us start with the core design and versatility. The CYMULA folding mattress is built to adapt to almost any scenario you can throw at it. When you have overnight guests, you can unfold it completely to create a supportive floor bed. During the day, it easily converts into a lounge chair or a casual sofa, making it ideal for home offices, playrooms, or studio apartments. But its usefulness does not stop indoors. Thanks to its foldable nature, it slides easily into a car trunk, making it a fantastic companion for camping trips, cabin stays, or tent sleeping. You get a portable sleeping surface that delivers steady support wherever you happen to be. Now let us talk about the construction and comfort levels, which are the most important aspects of any mattress. This is a 6-inch thick mattress, which is noticeably thicker than many standard folding mats on the market. It features a smart dual-layer foam system. You get 1.5 inches of 30D memory foam on top, which contours to your body shape and provides that cloud-like comfort. Beneath that sits a 4.5-inch high-density support base. This thick foundation is crucial because it keeps your body completely off the hard floor. You will not sink through to the ground, even if you are a side sleeper or toss and turn throughout the night. Practicality is another area where this mattress shines. Maintenance is usually a headache with portable bedding, but CYMULA made this user-friendly. The mattress comes with a soft, breathable fabric cover that is completely removable and machine-washable. This is a lifesaver if you have kids, pets, or use the mattress outdoors. Furthermore, the cover is designed in a darker black tone, which cleverly hides everyday marks, dust, or minor stains from frequent handling. The stitching is reinforced to handle the constant folding and unfolding, and the bottom features an anti-slip material. This means the mattress stays firmly in place on hardwood, tile, or tent floors without sliding around while you sleep. Unboxing and setting up the product is straightforward, though you do need a little bit of patience. The mattress arrives vacuum-packed to ensure it ships safely without damage. Once you open the package, you need to allow 48 to 72 hours for the memory foam to expand fully and air out in a well-ventilated space. Once it reaches its full 6-inch thickness, it is ready for action. Let us weigh the pros and cons to give you a balanced perspective. Starting with the pros. The 6-inch thickness provides exceptional support compared to thinner alternatives. The dual-layer foam combines pressure-relieving memory foam with a sturdy high-density base. Its multifunctional design allows it to act as a bed, a sofa, or a chair. The removable, washable cover in a dark color is highly practical for daily wear and tear. Finally, the built-in carry handle makes transport remarkably easy. On the con side, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because of the high-density foam and the 6-inch profile, the mattress is somewhat bulky when folded, so you will need dedicated closet or trunk space to store it. Also, while it is great for temporary sleeping, guests, and camping, it might not replace a traditional box spring mattress for permanent, nightly adult use. Finally, you do have to wait a couple of days after unboxing for it to fully decompress before your first use. In conclusion, the CYMULA Folding Mattress Twin is a remarkably versatile and well-constructed product for anyone needing flexible sleeping arrangements. It bridges the gap between portability and actual spinal support, ensuring that guests or campers do not have to sacrifice a good night's rest. If you want a reliable, easy-to-clean, and comfortable folding bed that you can use at home or take on the road, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.